Delightex Edu features a home screen that gives you a clear and convenient overview of everything. At the top, you'll find useful information about updates and the latest news. This section lets you quickly access your recent projects. Below that, you can see your recent classes and create assignments directly from here. You can also view the status of your recent assignments and lock them without opening them. Finally, stay up to date with the latest discussions in the forum in this section.